Right there. Big play. PLAY. Ah! Wait. Big play. Why? Big play. They have to referee.
Man can't read, or the fuck the man can't read?
How much is play about 3 times, right?
Everyone, you ready there?
Put the screen first.
Good night, good evening, good morning, wherever you are tuning to us. Welcome to another edition of South Coast Podcast Raw. I am your host, Lord Byron from the Galaxies. I want to apologize for my co-host at 3. Couldn't make it tonight. He might make it, but he might be late. But nevertheless, we have to continue on with the show. Earthlings, I don't know how the thing set. No germ pan for we scheme. So we big up with sponsors. Cause right now we're live on Daifa Radio and Daifa TV. The only Garifuna broadcasting station in Belize. As a matter of fact, in the world, it's only Daifa. Garifuna Duo. No germs again. We're live on Hot Off the Press. So check us out. We're live on Wave TV 2. So check out the thing. Share the thing. I want to big up Jaluna Bitters. Also, Kush International. Garifuna Irie. Conflict Music. DJ Allo. Wicked in all aspect. Big up, brother. And I also want to big up Castillo Enterprise Groups. Consultancy Group. Yeah? So, welcome again. It's our 30th episode and our 20th episode for 2026. Boy, 30-20. I like that number there. 30-20. Tonight, we're going on nice tonight. Tonight, we're going on nice. So, I want to big up on yourself. Big up with people's name for Grigger, cause you know how the thing set. Where they come live from half of the drums of our father's monument, cause I don't know we ancestors take care of we all the time. So that's how we there. I wanna big up Marley Chatuye, big up my cousin, you know, real Garifuna youth, where they put in the work and you know, set the trend. You know, deal with the thing the right way. North South Coast Raw, you know, for we thing. Now, Garifuna the wall. So we the roll deep with for we peoples. You know, when it comes to for we thing, you know, we have to start and take it serious. You know. And for the ones that were not serious, wanna get serious. And for the ones where they sell out, and no stop sell out. Time make we come together, make we deal what we got to deal with. So, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to South Coast Podcast. Rah! So, we'll start off the thing. Nice and dandy. As you can see, we have some footwear on the table, on the settings. Right? So we are giving anything here later. You know, we give aways, we have an early Father's Day. Yeah, early Father's Day giveaway. You dig? But yes man, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, we're there up on the drums of our fathers. Now Gregor with it. I want to big up everybody in tune to South Coast Podcast. Right? I want to big up whole of Lakeland, whole of Bengushe, whole of Harlem, whole of New Site, whole of Foreshore. Yeah, whole of Wagerale. Yeah, big up on yourself. Big up all of the people in the diaspora. Yeah, big up the whole of New York. Big up the whole of Philly. Yo, Joshy, don't know the thing set. Big up all of the people in out of LA. Big up all of the people in out of Las Vegas. Big up all of the people in that Shy Town. So, big up on yourself. Right? Now, who needs to get big up? Just plug in and make I know who to get big up. Because tonight, we're going on nice. With that said, we need the hurricane season. We're not starting the hurricane season. We have over 10 tropical cyclone out there. We could turn into a hurricane. So, make we be prepared, Belize. And people in the Caribbean, make we be prepared for this hurricane season, for this 2026 hurricane season. You know, and hopefully, we don't have no disaster. You know, but make we be prepared. Make we be prepared. The hurricane season start already, right? Now rati season right now too. Huh? Rati season. We don't get any rati yet. I'm not trying to get on a rati, man. Lot of rati about right now, man. Lot of rati. Fresh, fresh right now, and big, big. Big. I don't get me 40 already. I don't last long 40 already since rough corn. I last long about 40 already, man. I got a bait there, a bile there. That's all kind of way. I got a hash. I know. I'm rati fresh, man. Nah? I don't know germs, yeah. So by I die. You want to up a set by make we make we have a little discussion because last week, you know, we had consultation, this land consultation in Hopkins, for Hopkins and City River. And one lot of things going on there, and we need to get this thing right. Right? We want to discuss a little bit about this consultation, you know, what the consultation is about, you know, and Wally briefing, right? And Wally educating about it, you know, and really what is going on with the land Garifuna land rights and you know boundaries land boundaries between Hopkins and City River and between Placentia and St. Bite. Right? So welcome Passet. Thanks again for your always, you know, with our brother.
Man,
right?
Been a rough week. Man.
Yeah, right. I know. Rough week. You know, but I want first, right? Make we touch upon the land demarcation issues. What it's about? Like what it's really like? Give us a little what educate us about what it's really about.
Thanks, Lord, man. Thanks for inviting me to the show tonight, man. It's been why I never think that women have come to this point in we history, 2026. We have to okay. I broke it down like this. What happened?
Yeah.
We have Garifuna Territories right here in Nangriga, St. Bite, Georgetown, Barranco, PG area. And what seems to happen, like in the last, I'd say last 40 years, right? We invite these immigrants into our territory, into our turf. And when they come and remember some time ago they used to buy land for 5,000, 10,000,
Yes,
right?
yes,
just land just go for cheap. And like we peoples, we just here say sometimes we just want to sell, you know. But regardless, if I sell you a piece of land in my country or in my territory, you to come in our way where we can live together then.
Yeah.
That don't mean that
We invite you, we welcome you.
we welcome you, and sometimes we live a little bit too welcoming.
Yeah.
And the white people there right now in a city area, they drive a wedge between. They try. So my message, though, Auntie, that we don't want the people at City River or Hopkins disrupt their relationship we have.
Yeah.
We have a very, very good relationship with the people. So we have no hate against City River. We have and City River don't have any hate against Hopkins. So first and foremost, let's put that out there right now. This is not about races of people that have been living here for a long time peacefully. And that those two communities are the most peaceful communities in this country. Here happens, man, they kill, or City River, man, they kill, or any kind of harassment. That not happen in the areas there. But no, the white people, the immigrants of the United States, they come in and want no come and set up our brothers and sisters in City River to make a fight our people in Hopkins for land.
No man, never want people there, man.
That cannot happen. We cannot allow that to happen.
Yeah.
Their people come and they come like they love way, but it's all about the money. Now the big picture is money, money, money. Development bring problems, right? As a people, we are used to sustainable development. For people who know sustainable development, we develop long time, But when the white people come in a free country, when they say big buildings and swimming pool and glass windows and beautiful fences and land,
They disrupt the ecosystem.
that's how exactly what they do. So they say that as no that we know they say that we know to use our land, not according to them. We know to use free land name. We the use free land, but we use free land like responsibly. In a mangrove there, or then small fish they go spawn. So we understand nature. They don't.
Then we take out the mangrove.
They will take out the mangrove, full up the area, and make the area look like wait this today. After this, you not find no birds in the area. You not find no crocodile in the area. You not find no wildlife in the area because then white people come to destroy in the name of development. The other thing is, the main thing about this is though, none of we can afford to live right when white people live in that city point area.
Yeah.
All the house, the smallest house in that area costs $1 million
or
more. That just the lot. And I talk about the house. The lot.
That's the property.
That's the property. Nobody in our territory can afford that small piece of lot now. Now we go talk on and on about how we sell the land and things like that, but this is about our livelihood. This is about our indigenousness.
Yes,
right. So that is the fight right now, right now. So we're streaming live. All right. Hold on. Somebody asking about the volume.
Excuse?
This is about our livelihood. This is about our indigenousness. No, not yeah. No, the volume is good. The volume is good. I think it might. Hey, listener, just please turn up your phone or turn up your TV.
Yeah, turn up your TV.
Yeah, because then everything here is right and tight.
Yeah, we're eating nice and down there. No germs, man.
No germs.
That's how it goes right,
Right, so that is the backdrop behind all this. No, when they had the consultation,
yeah,
the one at Hopkins went peaceful. The next day after that, now, we saw all these white people amongst us right, sitting right there listening to a consultation, and they went and they never want to stand up and say nothing of we consultation. Right?
So they were at our consultation in
Yes.
Hopkins, and they were at the City River consultation as well.
Correct, but they never said nothing that it Hopkins consultation. So outright we know that they were up to no good. They got they got this man and he stand up and he tell the people
About
about
our history.
that we get the 1941 with you. We how long with you? No, because I like this, man. If you own a piece of land, you don't have to live for that land. You have to you own it. You don't have to put that type of development on that land. How if you want to have a guana sanctuary? How if you want to keep your land lush and green and nice, where you could go in the forest and you could see all these beautiful animals and things. You did give that. If you go cut down the forest, we don't want to eat no give that to hammer the limit, brother. Right? We know we now they shut off guana season. You know, I got guana for those who eat guana.
No more guana, no.
Right? No more guana.
Directly, they know I got no land crab. They got land crab season directly.
Because they close up all the hole for the land crab there, so we now have no land crab season. Right? So, City River, my beautiful village of City River and Hopkins, right? Please don't let these white people, these immigrants from the United States, because they can't go that, they see that that's why they behave up in their country.
And then they come in at the name of expats.
Yeah.
They come in at the name of expats.
That's true.
No, make the fool, don't make the fool, with the vocabulary. Because we smart. You understand? We know for history. For history, we know how the people is. The people they watch this, man.
They come with a lot of trick about and look, and this is why I learned too. That when they come, they don't want to come and tell you they want thief or racist. They want to show it. When they think they feel comfortable, they come out and start treat you the way how they used to treat black people. Right? They don't respect us, they don't even respect themselves. Their people are barbaric people. Right? Their people do the same thing that Israel right now, Palestine.
Same thing.
They talk about annex. Why? You know what an annex? Annex that when you just block off a holy thing there, right? Just want to let the people and then you just let the people out. No. We have never annexed our people. That is not our history. If
annex? Then people come with that too?
That's what they want to try instigate. Right? That Hopkins annex City River Point. No. Not going to do that. We control the whole area, whole territory. We allow you to
stay. The whole area is ours.
If you don't like it, we're going to go back to the country.
The whole territory is ours.
Right? Fire for one panel people.
Fire!
Fire panel because
fire!
Look, we have been living here peacefully. We don't disturb nobody. You understand? We fish, we farm. It's obvious. The fish right there, so we control that. All the areas that we control that. When we want to farm, we not even mess with the lagoon. We go cross the lagoon and have farm cross the lagoon. Same way and same bite. All right? So we want people to know that, please, we want to drive out all the white people out of this country where they come from disrespect and cause hate.
We can't tolerate them. We can't tolerate them because we cause tension between people. Because long time we coexist with each other.
Correct.
So we can't make them people they come and cause no ruction and they cause no hatred among cultures. Because we now are diverse people now Belize. And we don't know about racism, yeah.
No, but we don't know about it.
We don't know about anything there.
We don't know about it.
You understand? So allow them people to come and make them they play nice, yeah, and then they use fucking words like expats. They're not suckers. They're not culture vultures. Then jankos. Then janko. Huh? Huh?
They're worse than that.
They're worse than janko.
Worse than that.
Huh?
Boy, the second bitters are the bad me. A Jalo again, right?
Jalo just put on the table there, but
Jalo bitters. Show me up.
You know how we are the ambassadors for Jalo bitters, So you know how the things set, man. Yes, man.
No,
Yes, Maurice. So
I want to give her a ticket if you don't mind.
yeah, make we light no
I want to
party.
give her a ticket, right?
So before we give away this ticket, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right? Maurice birthday bash,
Yeah, boy.
right?
Boy, yeah.
We dey have this birthday bash. The islands. This is next week, Friday. No, next
26.
26th, the 26th of June. Marie's 50th birthday party. We have Super G on the ticket. We have Reckless. We have
Heidi.
Heidi. We
Mohobob.
have Mohobob. We have
Kurula.
Nuru. Boy.
We have Tola.
We have Tola.
Boy.
We have YG. Me and Atri.
Boy.
Lord gracious. We have tables, we have exclusive tables, we have tables. We have big stage, people, big stage and big sound, big stage, big sound, big lights.
Cameras everywhere.
Camera. Watch out. I don't know how we stay. We na 15K. Maurice.
Right.
So
I'm happy to be on your show, man. This is a refreshing to be out there. Right?
Why Maurice, I'm happy to have you on the show too. Right? I don't know how we for the intelligence.
Right, tell her.
We
the conscious man.
We're very conscious and very cultural entwined.
And spacious as well.
You understand?
Spacious. Why this hey, look. Surprise both of those white. Okay. Why we have to check the
We have to check the chat?
Yeah, check the chat.
Alright, where the one in the chat name? See what the one in the chat.
Domingo Valera, the man says surprised that both of those white asses never get answered on the spot. If I was there, I surely would have man.
I surely would have breaks that first one.
Yeah, but you say that what happened.
But you see it was an open floor, right? So and Belize we have a freedom of speech. So it's good that he expressed how his thoughts or his feeling.
So we get to know him.
Right? So we know what kind of player he.
Yeah.
We know what kind of player he. Yeah. They got a group, you know.
Yes.
They got a group.
Correct.
They got a group and they come in at the village and they smile up and hey and they fucking tell man, but slow down, and run over on the ass. What they did.
Why? All right. Eugene Sanchez. Man, they say NGC local and national needs to mobilize its attorney to defend the rights of the Garifuna to reoccupy its territory. Man, well, that's a part of it. But how do we reoccupy our territory? Look, I have my show tomorrow night, right? So we'll talk more about that.
We're going to talk more deep. I mean,
this is the Lord's show. And
ladies and gentlemen, this occurring this situation, right? That is happening right now. We have to dig, we have to go deeper than what is on the surface. Government is forming a tax group to go around gather information about Hopkins and this deeper than that. Why we have to get to this? Why we have to get to this? What the government up to?
Why? Man feel like you the so sorry, like you the like you the read from space right now. It make a lot of sense. We don't hear nothing for the government. You notice we don't hear
the government will just send out one group of people.
Yeah.
Even with one justice, one magistrate. Yeah. Along with this group.
No, not a regular magistrate either. That Supreme Court.
What this PUP government up to? We have to dig deep. Garifuna, my people. This thing here. This thing here, serious. Same bite. Hopkins. They were called for George Strong too, you know, and they were called for
They don't come for Jarchong already, but Jarchong already settled the border.
we all right, good. All right, good.
The Mayan people in the up in the hills there, tell Jarchong here what? We are brothers, make we just share it.
All right,
bam,
good.
we done.
But
Right?
here we're going. We have to get serious, my people, and where we're at is prime. We the weapon we that believe that's Hopkins there and I see him right. Then a prime pieces a land.
A real estate.
Real estate that then cocksuckers call with real estate. We not into do real estate because all of that they call a trickery and we sell with things.
Martinez is saying, Martinez Edward Vincent, it's an economic situation when it comes to the expat. I'm not calling expat, Mr. Martinez. These are immigrants.
Immigrants.
They are immigrants.
Expats.
Expat hell.
Expats. Hey, no why you know no expats you know. Immigrants then there, alien.
Alien. You know, alien man.
Right.
Shut up and never say nothing.
No man, we have to defend the thing.
It's our territory.
Garifuna do. I tell you, everybody wanna stand up. Garifuna people, Hopkins people, Uganda wanna stand up. Zimbabwe wanna stand up. Stand up. Any means necessary. Real bro.
We want those people out of Hopkins. We want them. We demand they get out of Hopkins. We give them 30 days to get out of we territory. 30 days. Huh? Man, do you think I laugh? Check it out, Jalu.
No real.
30 days to come out of we territory. Hey, Bayage.
Don't let them go.
Yeah. Hey, Bayage. We go 30 days to come out of we country. You don't need to, yeah? This is what we talk about when we be too nice to these people.
Why?
Right? They come and destroy.
Why?
And you know, I know that they get brave now. They throw this thing, but they may know where they may get it. They may they can open them out the city because our people in City River allow them and then stop them.
But,
and that's why I never like.
But you know what?
Why?
You know what? You know what they want to say? They want to say, oh, no, not all of them. Not all of them.
All of them.
Not all of them. Not all of them. They worthless. They trick with. They don't trick with long time. And they walk over. Look, this like how this happening? Why? This is serious.
The drummings will happen. They can't stop the drumming. The drumming must roar. And they can't stop it. They try so many times to stop the drums from roaring, Jalu. Right? I agree with you. But
somebody said Eric Castillo said Garifuna right. Land rights is human rights. You got it right. You got it right, my brother.
Not true.
It is Edward Vincent Martinez. It is past time that someone actually voiced the injustice brought upon the indigenous Garifuna people. Why?
JZ Mar is saying we the people of Georgetown village knows our boundaries from north, south, east, and west. Thank God for that. So that's why you guys are a symbol of Georgetown for the rest of the country.
Exactly.
Rest of our territory.
Yeah.
We'll follow your lead.
We'll follow your lead, GT. We're gonna follow your lead, GT. Correct. And you know what? Garifuna go. Make we all we have to stand up behind the National Garifuna Council.
Why you change now? Garifuna Council change.
All we have to stand up behind the National Garifuna Council and make we work. Everybody have to work. All we have to work. All the intellectuals have to come together and make we put with intellectualness in a one.
This is where the pencil come in now.
And make we sort out this situation now. Because as far as we have to go to court, and when we have to go to court, we will have to, that's the way it boils down to.
Like, man.
We have to go to court. We're going to court, so
they can't come and tell.
So we have to deal with this thing here.
Man, that white man, they brave at it.
And you know he Make I tell you.
You talk for the whole rest of them.
No, make I tell you. We put one roach there.
Hmm.
Lot more there, you know.
Egg did it too.
We put one roach there. Lot. You see that? Just one roach that. One roach.
Get an leader, boy.
You know how much roach there? So we have to mash there and we have to
I'm spray
spray out. Pesticide.
Pesticide for days.
Because then there, now germs.
We get it 30 days to come out of this
then
country.
Then germs.
30 days to come out of this country. 30 days.
But
how many days you get it?
Boy, I want to come out tomorrow.
Oh, sucks. Lord, not the play,
boy. Trump, send for your people. Send for your people. Trump, send for them. Send them to El Salvador. You don't got space for them. Why we not send Romney up? Send them to Buchanan's.
Man, I tell you. Man.
Why?
And not only, you see, when they see in a free community, you know, that dollars and cents, you know, that's when they come.
Dollars and
Why people not go where poor people
dollars and Hopkins.
Why people not go where poor people we rich, you know. We don't know we rich. That's why they want what we have. You understand? Why people not go where poor people my brother. Don't make no ghost fool you.
Why somebody?
They want to make what plane, what international ship by wrong, see right there, Riversdale area, they were international airport, right? Casino.
That done,
right? All that, but that's a part of it for their scheme. Loan scheme they work with, the loan trickery. Sanctuary again, look there. All only homes they through the so. Loan scheme they play with.
Somebody say historically Garifuna communal lands start from Jetty to City River. They are a part of the Carib Serves Act. Then a new law say
not law
say all over Belize villages have boundaries issues. If you notice, it's only the Garifuna communities with income, and this is what I'm saying. That Hopkins and Sambite, they're prime land. It's prime land.
They don't see we as
you
friends,
understand?
Man. They see we money.
But it's long. Make a tell you now. From colonialism when we got here, they know because remember, you know, that over 300 years we fight against the British Empire, you know. Over 300 years.
But here we going on.
So when we come
we beaten up.
Yes. But that's why I'm saying that when we arrived here, there was a resistance.
Correct.
And from ever since, not when we got here, but from ever since, from home, then people here want dictate to we and want thing, and we not there with them people. So why not know we nice? We know then people, you know what them people do to we?
Why? Why? I tell you, they think we give me call. See that?
Make we nice to them people.
Can't be nice to the oppressor, but tell oppressor.
They're not oppressed, they're for we oppressors, bro. And then we then Hopkins.
Laugh for them.
Hey, they're saying right there, hey, Mr. Bob. No, they don't got no love for we. They never did, and they don't have.
They will never have.
So be careful. The people.
That's the nature.
And I tell you no. Now time to make we rise. Time make we rise. Make the drum beat and make the sucker shake.
Right, tell you. Man, Jay-Z Mar, the Zabane had taken a part of Georgetown already from. You know what? Whatever it is, Laverne Arzu, my good friend from my auntie from St. Bite.
Yeah. My people.
That's another story there that we have to